Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can unban your Roblox account. So first you want to create a throwaway dummy account, just create a random Roblox account so you can contact support, and then after you have logged in into your new account, you want to change this roblox.com/home to /support and then press enter. Now here you need to fill in some information. Your first name is optional. You need to write your email address that you use, and then just confirm it right here, write the same email address, and then this is what you need to select here. What device are you having the problem on? Just use or select the device that you use most often to play. For me it's PC, and then type of help category. Click on this drop down menu and you need to select moderation. Then another drop down menu will appear, and then click on it and select appeal account. This is very important that you select those two settings, and then write something like this. I have already created a preset, so you can write this. I think my Roblox account has been wrongfully banned. Kindly take a closer look at it and unban it if possible. And this is really important, account name, and here you write your previous account that is banned. So here you want to write your previous account name. And then after you have filled in this information right here, you can just press on submit and wait for Roblox support to get back at you. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.